Okay. Well, I think okay, by the way, folks, that is Luna, our breakfast, or also known as King Uro. Alright, see that long bushy tail? It's helping balance on the ground. Well, that tail is prehensile and you can handle it just like that. And as for his reward, we have some of his favorite fruits like banana, papaya, mango, melon, and even eggs. Well, before we have a lot to say, they shock you. Yes, they are not. They have a high-pitched moral when they are annoying. They know how to run and kick. And they have very unusual fancy to take a statement backward and walk straight down the front at first just like that. Alright, folks, this round you will choose. Where do you want me to put this mix? First up or third up? Third. Alright, third up. Let me show them your talent again. Walking in is sneaky. Yeah! Alright, folks, move on. And just like our Scout's old friend, he is busy at night finding his food. So his eyesight is also excellent in the garden. But his specialty is very sensitive sense of smell. Alright, to prove you how, let's play a game. So guys, right now I have 3 boards. So they are called Philippine Scouts. Alright folks, owls are nocturnals, which means they are more active during the night. So they have an amazing eyesight that they can catch their meal in complete darkness. And next, they have specialized cover that helps them dampen their sounds, or in short, they are eyes and teeth to catch their prey more easily. And lastly, and you get alright, let the giant frog is not real. So now down to the middle. In the middle, let the giant frog. Alright, how about on that side? Alright, one more. Wow! Okay, for the left. Left leg. Wow! Alright, folks, that's enough. Alright, bros, palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Alright, bros, this street dog style choice here wants nothing more than to be a part of the life. No, ladies and gentlemen, show what I have a wonderful day over here at Ocean Adventure. Bye, everyone. Bye.